Morning, my name is Brian, and I'm going to give you a small tour of my 3D printing farm and some of the things that I'm working on right now. So for the printers, there are a few modifications that I've made. So everyone needs a push shoot and everything like that. But I've also installed lights so I can actually see my print better from where I am. So if there's any fail or print or anything like that, I can stop it. And also got my Panda Touch. So with this, I can basically deploy one print. So I can set one print and deploy them to the two machines. And that's the beauty about this device. So yes, I got it set up, I installed and everything, and it's pretty cool. So two of the items I have so far, they are designed in-house. So these are game cases for Nintendo Switch game cartridges. So the inside are interchangeable for different colors, and there'll be different variation whether you want to use all games or micro SD card and so forth. So these were designed. These color section are interchangeable. And so for our magnetic close and everything. So this is, I used this table for basically inspection to make sure that everything is, tip-top shape, no defects and stuff like that. This is my small workstation that I use to, send print if I need to do some fusion editing. I do that here also. And right now I'm printing up some inserts. I'm doing black inserts, red inserts. This another charging dock that I designed. So it's for these lights that you can get off Amazon. So this is one of the stuff that I will be selling also. There's a different version where it's not so bulky. So that's one of the other products. One of the next important thing is my white box. I am going to show some pictures that I take with this box that I created. But yeah, it's kind of neatly designed. Used to take pictures, as you can see. It's really good. So this is a case cover that I designed for Lazy Susan, basically, and this make a lot of difference. So I will show some of the pictures that and videos that I have done in this. So too far I have three FDA printers. I have down here a resin printer just in case I need to print any minis or anything that are specially ordered. Yeah, and so far that's all things I've made so far. One of the other items that I've created, which I will show those. So I'm gonna transition to my store and show you what's happening. All right, so here on my computer, so right now we're viewing my personal website. So otherwise, some of the 3D printing basis that I'm doing, I do sell other products, and I also offer services also. So, I have my 3D printing solutions. I also do PCB design. So if someone have an idea for, a small project, whether it's a DIY, anything that they want a circuit board for, they can basically send a request, I'll look over their ideas and stuff like that, and I can design a PCB which they can send to a fabrication manufacturer and, get that done. And I also design devices for home assistance, where it's like, different sensors and stuff like that. Also,
design those, and you can either get a digital file or I can send it off to fabricate for the client, and they can get that done. So in the stores right now, being that we're focusing on our 3D printing. So in my store, I sell a few different things. So let's go to gadgets. So this is currently Marcus sold out because, I'm gonna basically come with a different version. And here we have the ODB port lock, and we can see where that white box, it does make a difference in pictures that are taken, so the customer can actually visualize what they're getting. Now, and also my personal website store, I do have a Shopify store that, you know, sells the same item, and you can see where it makes a difference in how you or I present whatever I'm selling. And I just recently set up my listing on Etsy. Um, Know that I may be selling other things, because one of the things I want to try to avoid is to, see something online, download the file, print it, want to, go and creating unique stuff from selling it. But, that's a long process, and actually finding a solution to a problem and design and creating is a long process. So what I may do also is, find an online subscription for, you know, commercial STL, and basically search for what's popular, and I will sell those too. But my main object is to, you know, find a problem, design something, print it up, register it, and, get the ball rolling with in that aspect. Yes, and that concludes my small tour for today. This is my first video. I haven't made a video in a long time, so something that I really get back into. But yeah, so if there's any advice or pointers or anything that I should look into, I welcome any comments below. Just share your thoughts, and I will continue to put out more videos and go along this journey and see, what I can basically make.